Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find your YouTube comments history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on YouTube app. Okay, then switch to your account. Okay, click on profile, tap on settings, click on manage all history. Okay, then back your comment. Okay, then funny, then try another video comment. Okay, then check your comment history, then profile, settings, then general, and manage all history. Okay, then show your comment, interaction, then comment, like and dislike. Just click, then show your liked videos and comments, then your comments videos. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.